To migrate your website from Wix to WordPress, follow these steps. Choose a WordPress hosting provider. Select a hosting provider that offers WordPress hosting plans. Popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and WP Engine. Install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation. After signing up, navigate to your hosting account's dashboard and install WordPress. Select a theme. Choose a WordPress theme that closely matches the design of your Wix website. You can find free and premium themes on platforms like ThemeForest, Elegant Themes, or the WordPress theme directory. Import content. Export your content from Wix. This typically includes text, images, videos, and other media files. In WordPress, use the built-in importer tool to upload your content. Design your website. Set up your website structure, including pages, menus, and navigation. Customize the design using WordPress's block editor or page builder plugins like Elementor or Beaver Builder. Optimize SEO. Ensure your new WordPress site is optimized for search engines by installing an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO or Rank Math. Redirect old URLs from Wix to their corresponding WordPress URLs to maintain SEO rankings. Test and launch. Preview your WordPress site to ensure everything looks and functions correctly. Once satisfied, update your domain's DNS settings to point to your WordPress site and your new website will be live.